numbered access list, we have range. For standard, it is 1 to 99. For extended, 100 to 199. What if I want to give a name instead of number? Very well, you can do that. The difference is this. When you give a named access list, you will be allowed to edit the access list later if you want some changes. But when you are writing numbered access list, later if you want to do some changes to the access list, that can't be done. You need to redo it from the beginning. I would like to explain you in much more detail so that you will understand better. You see, show access list. We have this 3-line, and this is what access list? Numbered access list. We have this 3-line. Now if I want to insert a line between this and this, if I want to add a line between first line and the second line, it is not possible. You have to remove this access list and redo it in a proper sequence that you want to have. You need to redo it having that new line in between this first and second line. Whereas when I do the same access list with a name, I can easily insert in between these lines. Yeah. Now we are going to see how to do this. Same access list. See how I do. I first of all want to remove this access list. Show run. This is the access list we wrote. I just want to copy this to a notepad for a reference so that I can do the same thing using name. I copy to a notepad. I don't know. Okay, nice. So this, how do I remove it? Very simple to remove an access list. No access list 101. That's it. You don't need to remove one line after the other. Let's go verify now. Show access list. There is no access list. Listen carefully. You may use type this access list or show IP access list. Both are same. Okay. Both are going to give you the same output. Show IP or without IP, it's okay. Access list is removed. Now if access list is there, what cannot be done? If access list is there, from this PC I cannot go to 20003. What is 20003? Is it a router? Yeah, a router. So I cannot telnet or do anything. From where 10001. If I go to 10001, I'll be able to ping but not telnet. Ping 20002. Sorry, not 2. I need to check 3. 3 is what we are matching in the access list. Oh, let's wait. This also it should ping now. Let's wait. Okay, it's pinging. Now I'm putting 3. this ping is permitted. IP from this to this, everything is permitted. Telnet is also permitted. But from the other PC, it should not. Only TCP 80 is permitted. Okay, so HTTP should be allowed from here. Because IP is permitted. If you permit IP, it permits all protocol, TCP, UDP. What is the number? 20003. See, if you say permit IP, it includes TCP, UDP, everything. What? No, I'm checking from host 1, 10001. See the title there on the top. I am not able to reach the server. Maybe the server is not. Okay, I need to check Telnet. I'm checking HTTP. Oh no. Telnet should work. Here HTTP is not designed. Telnet should work. Telnet 20003. See, it happens. What is that? Student, I think. Okay. All right. It is going in and then ABC, I think. All right. So everything should happen now because we don't have access list. Everything should happen from here. If I try the web server, even the web server should happen from this first PC because there is no access lists. Web server address is 20002. I was trying 20003. 20002. Yeah, it comes. Similarly, from the other device, all three should happen. Ping should happen. Ping 20003, it will ping. And if you try HTTP also it will do. Telnet also it will do. Telnet 20003, it will go. User 2, sorry, student 2. Pass 2 to 3 ABC. Okay, so this is going. I should be able to ping 20001. I should also ping 20002, and I should also see the web page. It will take some time for the browser to open. If it's not, again try. Okay, it's there, and let's put the IP address 20002. All right, what is next? Next is, after applying the access list, things should be different. Now, first of all, let us learn how to write a named ACL. IP is the command you should start with. See, the numbered access list did not start with IP. It starts with access list. It starts with access list. But named access list will start with IP. IP access list. You understand? It should start with, begin with IP. IP access list. What do you want to write? A standard or extended? Use a command and tell it. I want to write an extended. And then how do you identify the access list? With a name. I'll give a name like policy -1. That's how I would like to call my access list. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write this line first. Unknowingly, I make a mistake, let's say. I'm saying from this going to any permit. But later I understood that I made a mistake. I should have written this as a third line. So I told you named access list can be edited, can be altered. That's what I want to prove. So instead of typing this line as a third line, let's say I made a mistake of writing it as a first line. What is that? Permit ICMP, traffic that is coming from the host 10.0.0.2 to any. So this will become the first line, show IP access list. See, it has become the first line. Now whatever you write will go below this only. Whatever the line you write now, it will become sequence number 20. It will go below this. But I want this to be as a third line, which means I need to add 2 lines before this. How can we add it? That's what I'm going to show you. Go back inside the access list again. You see? Go back inside the access list again. Hey, what is this? Too funny. Come on. Okay. I'm inside the access list. You see? Named access list, extended named access list, and this sequence number is 10, right? If you want to add lines before this, then you need to have a sequence number before 10. You see, you have the option here. I'm going to say sequence number 1 and put this permit IP host, permit IP host 10.0.0.1 destination host 20.0.0.3. Okay, so that becomes the first line, and then I'll say number 5, or you can also say 2, permit TCP 10.0.0.2 to the host 20.0.0.2 equals, you can also say www or http or 80 or same. If you don't have the port number 80, then you can say www. Now let's go verify the access list. Show access list. Look at this. The line got added before this. This is not possible in a numbered access list. In numbered access list, you cannot insert a line, you cannot edit lines, you have to remove it and redo it in a sequence that you want. Now, how do we apply this? Same like what you did in numbered access list, you go under the interface. What is the interface name? G001, and say access group, sorry, IP access group. What is the group name? Policy -1 out. See, instead of number, same command. There also we used to start with IP only under the interface in numbered access list. Only the global mode we don't start with IP numbered access list. The interface mode command is same, except number. Other than number, you instead of number you put name. Okay. Now we have assigned IP address. Sorry, we have assigned the access list to the interface. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? One more thing that you need to know is this. See, here we are matching only one particular interface. Sorry, one particular host address. What if I want to filter all? Meaning, I want to filter everyone in this network going there. What if I want to deny everyone from 10 network? How do we do that? Let me show you that. Here it is only single computer you are permitting. What if it is a entire network? Then you should not use the keyword host. You should put the network and the wildcard mask. You understand? If you are matching only one IP, only then you put the host keyword. I want to deny everyone from 10 network going to this computer. Then I write wildcard mask. Wildcard mask is just opposite to subnet mask. Wherever you used to put 255, you put 0. Wherever you used to put in subnet mask 0000, there you put 255, 255, 255. Now someone tell me, if I want to deny everyone in this network going to the whole 20 network, what should I do? What should I do? The whole 20 network. I should do like this, right? Yeah? What? No, not any. No. Only to the 20 network I want to deny. What if I have 30 network, 40 network? You understand? So, if you are matching one particular IP, then it is host. If you are matching the entire network, then you need to put the network and the wildcard mask. Okay, now let us assume I apply this access list. Will I be able to do HTTP from 10.0.0.2? Here this line says permit. Let's say I put deny here. This line says permit TCP traffic coming from this host going to this host if it is 80. Will this work or it won't work? Very good. It won't consider the second line, Priya. Why, Priya? Because the first line denies all traffic coming from this to going to this network. So if you write this one on the top, then it will work, no? If I do this, will it work? It will definitely work. It will work. and only HTTP will work, but the ping will not work. ICMP will not work. This line is also useless. If you want this line to work, then you need to put it on the top. Yeah, is that clear, everyone? Great job. We have successfully covered